What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a super valuable error for this quarter right here. So we have the Wilma Mankiller quarter, and there's an error out right now for this 2022 coin that sold for $1,000 in raw form. So let's go ahead and get into this video and we're going to talk about it. Okay, guys, so this is the error that I was talking about. This is called a major cracked die error. On the back, it will look like a slit through the coin. And then when you flip it over, on the front, which is the obverse of the coin, you will see a retained cud error. So these are the errors you want to look for. Please, please, please don't spin this. If you see this error, you are going to immediately want to post this on eBay and sell it, because we don't know how long it's going to be selling for these specific prices. I mean, I've seen as high as $1,000 and as low as about $300, guys. You can get some good, quick cash for this coin. But yeah, as always, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.